Hi there, it's Morris, and today, of course, my website, selfimprovementmethods.com. And I thought that today you'd like to visit a website that I have been looking at. It's called the Urban Survival Site. It's at urbansurvivalsite.com. Um, and its blog is entitled 50 Survival Items You Forgot to Buy. So, um, when tragedy strikes, you're going to go, oh, darn, I wish I had known about these 50 items. And I thought there were something kind of unusual. So here we are. This is all part of being of self-improvement, is to be prepared, because you should always be prepared. Just like the Boy Scouts, it's there for a reason. So the first thing is acoustic instruments, which might just drive your wife crazy if you're going to be playing your Jaws harp, Jew's harp, and harmonica, but get one of those. Aluminum foil. Oh, yeah. I hope they have duct tape on here and adhesive tape, because those are things I would certainly pack. Okay, so we got aluminum foil, we got axes, and we got some, I'm going to circle these things here as we go down. I got the baby wipes, baseballs, basketballs, and footballs, because that's always fun. Bicycle gear. You need your bike to go around. Well, depends. Book lights. I guess they're cheap, I suppose. I guess, yeah, they're like $2 and they last a long time. Need some books. Bug spray. That's a good thing. You can also kill the bug with the can, whacking them really hard. Bouillon cubes. Yeah, that's a good thing. Chicken and beef. Um, Also, if you put a chicken, they have bouillon, chicken bouillon with tomato flavor. You put that in some rice, it's really great. It makes Spanish rice just instantly. It's like that. It's pretty good. Calendars, in case you want to know how many days of electricity's been out. I guess that's a good thing. Of course, you could just draw. Candy, cast iron, cookware, cloth, diapers, clotheslines, condiments, condoms. What the heck? Okay, we'll just skip that one. Cotton balls. There's a duct tape. Yay. Earplugs for the guy with the acoustic instruments, right? Yeah, okay. Floss, games, glasses, and repair kits. Oh, that's a good thing. If you wear glasses, you need a spare glass, spare kit, pair of glasses. I always put that in your kit. Glow sticks, I never liked those. They're temporary. And Google goggles. That's for people without the glasses. Hand sanitizer, instant coffee, map your own paper plates, pencils and paper, pet supplies, plant pots. It's a weird thing to have in your box. Powdered butter and eggs. I guess that's a good thing, because gotta get something. Powdered juice, sauce, sewing kit, shoelaces, shut off wrench, slingshots, snowshoes, songbooks, survival books, tampons, tarps, umbrellas, whistles. Whistles is a good idea, because that you can use that to communicate, when you're out running around. Wind up clocks is another great idea. Yard bags, Ziploc bags. Yes, and all kinds of Ziploc bags, not just your little sandwich bags, but get the gallon size. I would say gallon size storage bags and the sandwich bags, and you can pretty well forget about the other ones. So that's the nice thing about this. Oh, I meant to also show you this. This is shamanic music, Jew's harp, trans music. This is just really nice, because here on this one, if I can get the person's name, maybe I can move this around a little here. I am not really seeing this person's title. Okay, well, I guess you just have to go to Shamanic Music, Jews Harp Trans Music. This is for your listening enjoyment. What I want you to do with this is meditate and have nice thoughts. I don't know, can you hear this? I forgot my settings here. I'm hoping you can hear this okay. It's very pleasant, but the reason that I'm here, we're not going to play 8 minutes of this music, but if you take your cursor and put it over this line, see how the line lights up, and then you use your arrow keys, your right and left arrow keys, you can scoot along in this. You see, as long as that your cursor is on that line, then your right and left arrows work, and you can go by hitting it. This is how it sounds, but as you hit your right and left arrows, it's a lot of fun. You play your own music. You see, you can go forward or backwards depending on how you want to do. It's just very fun. So you can actually have your own musical instrument here on YouTube just by playing this, hitting the right and left arrows. It's a lot of fun. I really think that's cool. So, all right. Okay, so that's quite enough of that. All right, yeah. You can only stand so many minutes of shamanic Jews harp music, right? But so there you go. It's always a good time. So remember to bring your duct tape and Ziploc bags and musical instruments in your survival kit, and like and subscribe on, I guess it's over here now, or wherever I put it, I forget. That little button is to subscribe to the channel. Pick up my free gift for you at selfimprovementmethods.com/go, and like, share, and comment on this video, and we'll talk to you next time with something peculiar, but at least you'll be improved. Right? Okay, make it a good day, and talk to you later.